Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Dell Inspiron 15 3530, and before you make your choice on a new business laptop, you need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done all the research for you, and as always you'll find the link to the best price in the description below. So you clicked on this video because you want to know if the Dell Inspiron 15 3530 delivers on performance, price, and real-world usage. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's dive right in and get started. The Dell Inspiron 15 3530 leads the pack with its Intel 10-core i7 processor that reaches speeds up to 5.00 GHz with a 12 MB cache. This isn't just another laptop claiming to be powerful, it's built specifically for business professionals who need reliable performance for complex spreadsheets, video conferences, and demanding software applications. The processing power here is exceptional, allowing seamless multitasking without the dreaded lag that plagues lesser machines. Additionally, the 15.6-inch touchscreen display with Full HD resolution at 1920x1080 delivers remarkably crisp visuals. The anti-glare LED backlit WVA technology is a game-changer for professionals working long hours, significantly reducing eye strain. The touchscreen capability adds an intuitive layer of productivity that many competing business laptops simply don't offer at this price point. Storage capacity is where this laptop truly shines. With options up to 16 GB DDR4 RAM and up to 1 TB SSD, you're looking at lightning-fast boot times and ample space for all your business files, presentations, and multimedia content. The high-speed SSD ensures data access speeds that keep pace with your workflow, eliminating those frustrating moments waiting for applications to load or files to save. Furthermore, the versatility and connectivity sets this laptop apart from competitors. You get 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C, 1x USB 2.0, 1x SD card reader, 1x HDMI 1.4, and 1x headset jack. This comprehensive port selection means you can connect to projectors for presentations, external storage devices, multiple monitors, and various peripherals without needing adapters or docking stations. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, bringing advanced security features and productivity tools that business users demand. The modern interface is sleek and professional, with enhanced multitasking capabilities that complement the powerful hardware perfectly. Security enhancements in Windows 11 Pro provide peace of mind when handling sensitive business data. The target audience for this laptop is clearly business professionals, remote workers, and students in demanding programs. Whether you're an accountant processing large datasets, a consultant creating detailed presentations, or a designer working with graphics software, this machine delivers consistent performance. However, one notable downside some users may find is the laptop's weight. At this screen size with robust components, it's not the lightest option for frequent travelers who prioritize portability over screen real estate. Additionally, while the DDR4 RAM performs admirably, tech enthusiasts might prefer the newer DDR5 standard found in premium models. Battery life remains competitive for a laptop with this level of performance, though power users running intensive applications may need to stay near outlets during extended work sessions. The anti-glare screen technology, while excellent for reducing eye strain, can slightly diminish color vibrancy compared to glossy displays, something creative professionals should consider. Moreover, the build quality feels solid and professional, with a keyboard that provides comfortable typing for extended periods. The touchpad is responsive and supports Windows 11's advanced gestures, making navigation smooth and efficient. You got it. So that's it for the best business laptop on the market for this year. Like this video, comment if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews.